Hello, we are AI Splitter, and this is our Sprint 3 presentation. My name is Nikita.
I'm Shilin.
This is Zulu.
I'm Xintong.
So our problem remains largely the same. Our problem is that people have trouble creating tasks from their goals, and it is difficult to schedule these tasks in an efficient way. Our current solution is a task scheduling app that helps users break these goals into actionable tasks and schedule them. Research that led us to this approach was on previous solutions. One solution was Fantastical, which has good user input scheduling and great UI, but they don't have automatic task generation. Another great solution is Goals on Track, which has templates for actions to achieve their goals. However, they're not personalized or specialized. Our questions for the sprint are, how can we integrate our OpenAI API? Can we get React Native working? And what about our current design should we change? In order to answer our technical questions, we did research on the topic and attempted to implement them. To answer our questions about design, we conducted user interviews.
And now I'm going to talk about our prototypes. So first, I have two stories. One is for a student who wants to finish all his reading tasks, and he used our apps to track it. And the other one is for lead for a startup company. They use our app to track their milestones. And then we also designed a complete Figma, which include the login, sign up, and creating tasks and view it in list, and as well as the calendar views. So we created our basic app, which we can create tasks, and then we can view the task in the calendar and see the task list. One example of our AI-generated task is we input goal, and then they just provide us steps to follow to achieve our goal to cook.
Okay, we did a quantitative study on the user's using process. We let the user freely use the program for 1 day and observe metrics at the end of the day. We selected 10 users to survey, and here's some highlights from our results. One is we researched on how many tasks will user submit per day. The result was 5.6 for weekdays and 3.8 for non-work days. And for the last result, we surveyed on the length of task titles and descriptions, which were 6.1 and 13.4 words respectively. These quantitative results help us design and enhance the user experience.
Yeah, so there are a few learning types that we plan to do during our next sprint. The biggest question is that how can we generate the task in the best way to create a calendar that users find easy to use and also deal with robust authentication. And we also plan to develop the prototype by having a clear and simple front end so the users can easily test all the features listed above and also criticize about what they would like to change. And from the next prototype, we can collect feedback from will take the form of the user interviews, where we can give users certain tasks to complete, and we will get quantifiable data in the form of user scoring and time to complete tasks.
And we have no changes to our business model. Here's our value proposition and our current architecture diagram.